Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Pomodoro technique and how you can use it to be productive. Yesterday I also uploaded a podcast episode talking about motivation and how you can find motivation if you find yourself in a slump. So I'll link that down below. As you guys may know, I've been diving deeper into these topics over on those avenues, online platforms. So definitely go check out my podcast and blog down below. But for this video, I wanted to specifically talk about the Pomodoro technique, and this is something I've been using and I've found it quite useful. So what is the Pomodoro technique? It is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The technique uses a timer to break down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. So each interval is known as a Pomodoro, and that's derived from the Italian word tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Francesco used as a university student. Again, I've been using this method for the past few weeks or about a month now, and I found it incredibly helpful, especially regarding tasks that I have that have kind of been sitting on the back burner, things that I've known I've needed to get done. This method is perfect for those tasks. So all you want to do is set your timer for 25 minutes, and I'll just use my phone for this, and you're going to be focusing on that one task for the 25 minutes. For example, I've used the Pomodoro technique for answering emails, just responding to emails and reaching out to brands that I'd like to work with. Stevie. Hey. I'll use this method for smaller tasks, and I'll find that I don't even need the whole 25 minutes to get my work done, which is really cool. So if you do try out this Pomodoro technique, what you want to do is limit all of your distractions for 25 minutes, because if you get distracted during those 25 minutes, you'll have to reset your timer and start again. So let's say you get up and you make some tea or coffee, or you take your dog for a walk, or you answer a text or a phone call. That's interrupting those 25 minutes, so you'll have to reset your timer. So I think it's best if you were to just put your phone on airplane mode and focus, because if you have those distractions on your desk or around you, you're going to get distracted. So once your timer goes off, you can take a break, and you can take a break for 5-10 minutes. And I actually like doing several rounds of the Pomodoro technique, and after the 4th round, I'll take a longer break. And my break will probably be around 20 to 30 minutes long, but this is such a great thing to do, especially if you're finding yourself being unmotivated and you know you need to get some work done or just do some things that you've been putting off. I also like this because you're very focused on one task and you're not spending so much time on it. Or if you're going to use the Pomodoro technique to get one big task done, this is perfect for that, because it allows you to really focus on that task and then take a break from it and come back to it, and you're refreshed, and you can put more effort and more energy into that one task and then take another quick break and come back to it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and let me know if you guys use this technique, because I just found out about it, again, probably a month ago, and I've been implementing it into my weeks and getting work done, and I just find it so helpful. And I probably use this technique every day for simple tasks and also bigger tasks. But again, check out my podcast down below, as well as my blog. And I think a couple months ago, I talked about motivation in another video as well. So I'll link everything down below in the description bar. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.